Hello everybody. I hope you're all doing really well. Thanks for joining me again. I realized in all of my videos that I forget to say thank you for watching. So in case I forget to videotape it, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching all of my videos. I'm about to start a new commission. And it's actually for a friend of mine. And so I know this subject very well, and I love her dearly. You'll see what it is, but yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. They sent me a photo that they wanted as a painting, which is awesome. It helps a realistic painter like me. It really helps get all the details, especially if it's of someone's pet. It makes a really big difference having a photo that they already know they want to be the painting. So I always start a painting with, I'll sketch it out first. I'll sketch it out just roughly, and then I'll go in and I'll spend some time getting some details and shading in. And then I'll spray it with a fixative so that nothing kind of smudges or washes away, because the next step is then an acrylic wash that I do. And depending on the color scheme of the painting, I'll do a different base color. More often than not, I do burnt sienna. So in this sketch, this is the end product of what I just described. So you can see that I have the sketch. I have some of the shading in there to tell me and inform me where to put paint down. And then I have this burnt sienna wash on it, which just helps me be able to start with whatever color I want until that the color is right that you're putting down. So yeah, this has been dry, and now we're gonna go ahead and get started with the painting process. So I like to start with the shadows first, especially with fur, because then you can build up the layers from then, and then you get all the nice dark undertones for the fur. To me, it also just, it kind of allows me to lay out a bit more of the painting so that Okay, so right now, I'm kind of working on a few. I was just gonna go into the just shading, but like I said, it changes sometimes, and so it's actually working out great to just go in sections and kind of start to put down both some highlights and shadows. Not like the truest highlights, so maybe midtones is a better word. But shadows and midtones. And so to do that, I have 3 brushes, because you'll see that the fur of this cat kind of has 3 main colors. And so for each one, I have a shadow, and then I have the more goldy tone. And then I have the more highlighty tone. Okay, so this pillow is, for whatever reason, being a real pain, not looking how I want it to. So I'm gonna scrap the photo and just paint it off a feel, because trying to go off the photo is not working. So whenever that happens, I get rid of the photo, stop looking at it, and will just paint kind of what I feel. And we'll see if that helps. Usually it does, not always, but it's the good thing about paint is that I can always paint over.
Radio up and the blinds pulled down. You love it when nobody's around. I wanna call out round town, but you bite my lip, don't make a sound. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you. So give me a minute to catch my breath. Take what's yours, I'll take what's left. I'm used to coming up second best, always fail to pass the test. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you.
Hey guys, okay, so we are all done with this painting and that's so exciting. It was such a cool process. I honestly think this is one of the best ones that I've done yet. And there are a few things like the tail, the pillow. If you saw any of my Instagram videos, you kind of have been through part of the process, and let me know in the comments. I've done a few different style videos, ones where I've kind of talked more through it and others where I was more silent. So let me know below what you like more. If you like this style, which is less talking, or if you would prefer to have a little more interaction. As always, if you could like, comment, subscribe, share. I think those are all the buttons you can do, but it really helps small businesses like us grow, and it means a lot. It does not go unnoticed by any means. So yeah, thank you in advance for any interactions that you give us. It really means a lot. Without further ado, we'll do some of the detail shots and call it good. So thanks a bunch for stopping by, and we'll catch you in the next video.